Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick video today. I'm with my brother Richard from the What the Rust channel, and what we're going to do is we're about to start on a big project, but we've got this fluorescent light, this old fluorescent light up here that has stopped working, and we're going to show you how you can easily replace these with LEDs.
So this is the LED light. It's a generic no name from Amazon. You see one up there that's already in place. They're not super cheap, honestly, but they're worth it. And we're gonna replace that big honking unit that's broken with this little thing that's brighter. There's the difference in size.
And it probably uses less electricity, right?
I'm sure it does. These pull quite a bit. I've got 4 bulbs in there and they pull quite a bit. So we'll see how this goes.
All right, let's get busy. Okay, so you'll see on this light, it's hanging from a chain. And here's what we've got with this one. We've got clips with little hooks on them, and they gave you chains. So the clips, right, is that all you do? Just snap them on that?
Clip on.
Yep, it's that simple.
And there's your hook.
All right, and the wiring, they give you 2 options. So all you have to do is plug your 120 into there, but they also give you this, which you'll note has the same end on both. And what this is for is if you want to, you're at a large garage and you want to link a bunch of these lights together, you can just do it with this and use a single power source. And that's kind of indicative that they do not use a lot of electricity.
Yeah.
All right, let's get the other one down.
Yep. One of the nice things about this garage is it's got plugs in the ceiling. So this particular light that's already here just plugs in, the cord runs over the rafters, and it's just got some ties that hook it to the chain. And it's got an on-off switch here that turns it on and off. You obviously leave it on once it's mounted, but as you see, it doesn't work.
You gonna recycle those chains?
I think so. I mean, I think we might as well reuse the chains.
Yeah, the length is already correct.
Right, right. Probably reuse these wraps too. Okay.
You can unhook it and just hand it down to me.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's heavier than it looks. Lift it up. Okay.
All right, don't let go because
I
I
got
only
it.
have one hand on it.
I got it.
That was easy.
Yep.
All right, let's set up the clips on this guy. Oh, you already got the clips on it, so all you gotta do is put the chains on it.
That's what I'm thinking.
Wow, that is easy.
I'm hoping it's that simple.
Take this plug off. Yeah.
It's easy until there's a car in the way. And it's not so easy.
Jeez, wow.
That's it.
You just gotta wire it, plug it in, and let's see if it works.
Whew.
Well, I would say that's brighter than the fluorescents ever were.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. It's bright. It's bright.
You know, disconnect the little chain.
Yeah, I don't really need that anymore. Look at that.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That's it. And how much do you think these things go for?
I think this one was 60, I'm guessing, but it's well worth it. I mean, look at the light compared to that one. There's no comparison.
Yeah. Especially for a shop, you want that bright white light.
Yep. And I get a free pull chain out of it.
Yeah. All right, that's it. $60 fix. Replace your old shop lights. Take care.